Hello, everyone. I had a couple of people ask me about our quiz this week, Chapter 17, the first question, Part B, required B. It's a series of journal entries that you're required to make. Um, as you can see here, that exercise, that quiz, is very similar to this demonstration problem here on page 782 of the book. And if you just walk through this, you'll see that the problem lays out very, very similarly to what was going on here. We've got some direct materials used, direct labor, and the overhead apply, the total cost of this job, and then a unit cost. There were units here and there. I don't believe we have to do too much with the units over there on our example, but here's an example. Here's what we would do here, and your solution, the solution here actually looks very, very similar to what this general journal would be. And so notice you had work in process inventory here. Um, each amount of materials, direct labor, manufacturing overhead that you see right here was then credited. The original debits happened in their respective accounts, and then work in process inventory was debited for the sum of those amounts. Then, when the job was completed, finished goods inventory was debited and the work in process was credited out. So that'll be your second inventory. You can second entry, and you can follow that. And again, that's sort of given most of these, in fact, all of these for your solution set are really just given in the problem. I don't believe there is any particular calculation you have to make. And then again, they say up here that record the sales 2,000 units at $4, and you're given the sales in the in our quiz. You're given the amount of sales, the total sales price that it was, and then last but not least, your cost of goods sold over there, and let's see, how exactly was that um, calculated? You would do the you would have done the calculation there, the per unit calculation there for the amount of units that had happened there. Okay. All right. So I hope that's helpful, and please ping me with any questions. Thanks.